Why choose bodyweight workouts?
Bodyweight workouts are ideal for beginners because they require no equipment and can be done anywhere. They help build strength, flexibility, and coordination while reducing the risk of injury. These exercises use your own body as resistance, making them accessible and scalable for all fitness levels. Whether at home or on the go, this style of training is a convenient way to start your fitness journey.
Setting realistic goals.
Begin your bodyweight journey by setting realistic, achievable goals. Decide what you want to accomplish, whether it's gaining strength, improving endurance, or simply staying active. Track your progress with a journal or app. Starting with clear, small targets helps maintain motivation and prevents frustration. Remember, consistency and gradual improvement are key to seeing lasting results.
Mastering fundamental movements.
Focus on mastering basic bodyweight exercises, squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and glute bridges. Learn the correct form to avoid injury and build a solid foundation. Practice each movement slowly, paying attention to alignment and balance. Once you're comfortable, you can gradually increase repetitions and explore variations for added challenge and progression.
Creating a simple routine.
Design a beginner-friendly routine by combining fundamental exercises in a circuit format. Start with 1 to 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each movement. Rest between sets and complete your circuit 2 to 3 times per week. This approach allows your body to adapt while building strength and stamina. Always include a gentle warm-up and cool-down to support recovery.
Staying safe and motivated.
Listen to your body and prioritize safety as you progress. If you experience pain, adjust the exercise or take a break. Celebrate small milestones to keep motivation high. Consider inviting a friend or joining an online community for extra support. With patience and regular practice, you'll develop strength and confidence in your bodyweight workouts.